With Honda Express Service, we offer a quick, easy, and affordable way for customers to service their vehicle for oil changes and other light maintenance needs. Some examples include inspecting turn signals and taillights, checking your brake fluid level, checking and adjusting your tire pressure, and filling windshield washer fluid. Here at Sierra Honda, we understand that you need to get back on the road as soon as possible. That's why we offer you an experience that is quick, yet maintains the quality through the use of Honda genuine parts installed by Honda factory trained technicians. There is no appointment needed to utilize our express service. Our team is here to help our customers have a quick and convenient experience. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call or visit our website at sierrahonda.com, where you can schedule your appointment or view our latest service specials. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you soon.